Every creator uses different cameras according to their needs. But when this mic released in April 2022, every single YouTuber was using it.
DJI Mic?
I watch a lot of YouTube, and every video that I saw, I could think of just one thing. I want that DJI Mic too. And finally, after 16 months of waiting, I've got it. So let's unbox the DJI Wireless Mic System together. So the reason that I wanted this mic so bad is because audio is half the experience of watching anything online. And a lot of new creators don't put as much focus on the quality of audio as they do on the video quality. And I didn't want to fall into the same trap. So after saving 35,000 rupees over the last 12 months, I was finally able to get the DJI mic. So the basics of this mic system is that it has 2 transmitters and 1 receiver, which you can connect to your camera, mobile, laptop, anything. Now let's get to who is this for, and the short answer is everyone. I'm starting off with the number 1 reason that I bought it for. I'm a GoPro vlogger and GoPro doesn't have a slot for mics, and this is what the sound becomes in windy situations. Or when the GoPro is far from you. क्या? हम वीकडे पे क्यों आए? So I just use one mic and record the audio on the mic separately and record the vlog on a GoPro. And you can easily sync it while editing to get awesome sound on your GoPro vlogs. It's even easier if you're a phone vlogger. Attach the receiver to your phone, wear a transmitter, and voila, you've got some epic sound quality with your phone vlogs. And you know what? People can often sit through bad video quality but not bad audio quality. So in some ways, good audio quality is much more important. Drones don't record sound, so you can use the drone to record the video and this mic to record the audio, and you'll get yourself an awesome drone vlog. If there's any situation where you're recording a conversation between 2 people, like a podcast or a 2-person vlog, this mic system works like magic because each person can wear a transmitter and their voices are recorded separately, which makes it much easier during editing. If you're recording something really important, you've got 2 mics. So even if one of them fails, which it wouldn't, you'd have a second mic recording it as well. You can just connect your mic to your laptop and get better audio during online meetings, etc. This is great for recording voiceovers and then easily transmitting them to your laptop. Or you could connect the mic to the laptop and then directly record the voiceovers on it. The last but the most fun one that I've always wanted to try, and that is recording music. One mic to record the guitar and the other one to record my voice, and then I could easily adjust the levels, etc. of both the sound channels separately. I am really excited to use the DJI mic more and create a lot of awesome stuff. Do hit the like button if you found this video helpful, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.